Water has shown to have many healing benefits. Drinking enough water has a tremendous effect on your skin and your overall health. Water helps to control weight. Water helps to heal blood pressure. Water helps to cool your body temperature. Water is a natural energy booster. Drinking enough water will help your kidney to function properly. Drinking water is good for your digestive system. And last but not least, drinking enough water is good for your joints. Is it okay to drink more than the recommended amount of water? Drinking enough water offers health benefits. However, drinking too much water, such as 3 to 4 liters per day, in short periods, may lead to water intoxication. For proper metabolism, a normal human body requires about 2 liters of water. 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day is enough.